What the hell are you doing?
Sorry, Mommy.
Don't you dare put that out. That is a perfectly good cigarette, and you are going to finish it.
But I don't want...
And I don't want to be the mother of a quitter. Finish it. Oh, Jesus Christ, you can't even smoke a cigarette right? Don't you dare cry. Don't you ever cry. You wanted this.
Are you punishing me for smoking or for stealing?
I'm punishing you for being alive. Don't sit so close to the TV. It'll make you cruel. You know, I was beautiful before I got pregnant.
I know.
You ruined me, Bojack.
Home with moonlight on the river, saying my goodbye.